I believe that IDEA is a great example of a successful educational policy. In its early stages, it began with concerned citizens raising their problems through the legal system, which in turn helped to inform a new law. This law must be supported by the state and carried out by the individual school districts. As a federal policy, IDEA ensures that every student across the country can access the general education curriculum in an appropriate and meaningful way. All levels of government need to work together to ensure that this can happen. IDEA shows us that many people can have influence on how public policy for public education comes about, and, in turn, how it is implemented. Everyone has a role to play and must take that role seriously for the law to work. In order for IDEA to continue to have a meaningful impact for our nation's public schools, everyone must continue to support it. The great thing about public education is that constituents can vote at all levels of government for public officials who support public education. Therefore, everyone can have influence through who they vote for school board, governor, and president. Making informed and responsible choices to help support our public schools is a great way that everyone is able to help support IDEA and the public policies that help support our nation's public schools.